Hi there, this is Voula with Nutrition Design with you in mind, with another Let's Do Dinner. I think I have a really great recipe on tap for you today. It is based on the topic that I have for the month, which is on detoxes and cleanses and their merits for weight loss. Should people really be doing these detoxes and cleanses? You know, a lot of people are curious if they really do work. And my take on it is that, we can do this naturally through whole foods. Basically, detoxification is the body's way of naturally getting rid of toxins. Primarily, it happens through the liver, the gut, and the kidneys. And it comes out in the form of urine or excreted through your feces. So your body does a good job of naturally kind of trying to get rid of the toxins in your body. Basically, what we want to do is we want to kind of promote or help these detoxification pathways in the body that are usually supported by these biochemical pathways or these biochemicals called enzymes. And in order for these enzymes to work, you need to give them the right food or the right nutrition through vitamins and minerals. And this is what I think works best if you are looking to kind of clean out or detoxify your body. Obviously, you don't want to expose your body to unnecessary toxins like alcohol or drugs or caffeine or even preservatives. Too much caffeine. A little caffeine is fine, but preservatives and maybe something like red dye 21 is not something that you'd be wanting to put in your body because it's not whole, it's not from the earth. And I always tell people to try to eat as close to the earth as possible. And in that way, you'll be actually, cleansing your body naturally. Some of these cleanses are fine. They recommend that people eat, like I said, cleanly, close to the earth, and that's absolutely okay. Nothing wrong with that. But if we're buying all these enemas or these juices or drinks, people think that this is really gonna help them kind of lose weight. Basically, you're losing a lot of water weight. You're not eating anything. You will lose some weight, but then what do you do? So here is a nice little recipe that I have for you today, which is a blueberry detox smoothie, and it will be on my blog, on my website at www.mynutritiondesign.com. So check out the recipe there. But this is super simple, and I love it because it has the nutrients, the vitamins that I was just talking about in order to help detoxify you. We're looking at increasing the fiber in your diet, the fruits, the vegetables, adding some fermented foods to your diet to help those detox pathways like kefir, which is fermented yogurt, kimchi, some other fermented foods. I'm not going to be using kefir today in my smoothie, although you can use kefir, or if you want to use half kefir, half milk, or almond milk. I'm going to be using unsweetened almond milk today in my recipe. Please feel free to use milk or oat milk, or like I said, kefir, or a combination thereof of kefir and almond milk, because then it'll give it maybe that smoothness, that richness, and you'll be getting those gut promoting bacteria in there in order to help what you need in the kefir in order to feed the bacteria to help promote gut health and to naturally detoxify you. So very, very simple here today, people. And we could use this as a smoothie for breakfast. We can use this smoothie for a snack. You can have it in the middle of the day. Or if you're you're rushing around and you don't have time to have a meal, you can kind of make this a little bit more powerhouse if it's supposed to replace a meal. Right now what I'm adding is, we're going to be adding frozen bananas. So what you want to do is, you need 2 bananas for this. You're going to get 2 really good servings out of this. You want to pre-chop them and put them maybe in a bowl or container and put them in the freezer. Leave them there for about an hour if you can, half an hour. You want them frozen because you want this drink to be really nice and cold, right? It's hot outside. And I've got 2 cups of blueberries. This is a really easy recipe to remember. It's 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So 2 cups of frozen blueberries, 2 cups of the frozen bananas that we have here, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. You can use hemp seeds if you want. You can make this, like I said, a little bit more powerhouse and satisfying or satiating if you want to add some nut butter, like peanut butter, almond butter, sunflower butter. So feel free to add a little bit more fiber and protein through the nuts and the seeds, because that'll make it a little bit more sustaining. We're going to be adding 2 cups of almond milk. I've got the unsweetened almond milk today. And then we're going to be adding some amazing spinach, some baby spinach to the mix. So this is just a really beautiful, complete smoothie. You've got the dairy, the kefir, you're getting some protein through that, you're getting vegetables, you're getting fruits, you're getting protein and fiber through the hemp seeds or the chia seeds, the protein through the peanut butter or almond butter. Oh, if you want to add some protein powder, you certainly can do that as well. If you don't have peanut butter, if you want to just add protein powder, you have that lying around, please feel free to add that. I like the Vega protein powder. It's a vegan protein supplement that you can find on Amazon, at Whole Foods. You can find it in several different places, but feel free to use the one that you enjoy in order to make this a little bit more powerhouse. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the liquid. So here is the 2 cups of almond milk. And again, we use whatever milk we need. And I'm going to add the blueberries. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cover, and I think I want to blend that with the chia seeds, and then I'll add the rest. But I just want to get started here, okay? All right, so this is nicely blended. This is beautiful. So now I'm going to add my banana. And honestly, instead of having an alcoholic drink on the deck, you can have this, or poolside. It is, I'm telling you, absolutely delicious and refreshing, and, you know, probably better than a margarita. So you want to do that. I'm going to add my bananas like I just did. I'm going to blenderize that first. Okay. All right. And now I'm going to add the 2 cups of baby spinach. And again, feel free to play with this if you want. But I think the 2 cups is really very good. And you really don't taste the spinach in here or the chia seeds. I mean, the blend is spectacular. All right. Doesn't take long. All right. And I think we have a winner here. Yep, it's totally smooth. It's beautiful. Look at that gorgeous color. Look at that. That is beautiful. We are going to pour that into my glass. You can add ice, okay, at the end. And I am telling you, you are hitting a home run with this delicious blueberry detox smoothie. Let me take a sip. It's amazing. And it stores well in an airtight container if you want to make a bigger batch for up to 48 hours. But I would like it if you could consume it within 24 or immediately, because it's just fresher. The nutrients are there and you don't want it to kind of sit around for too long. But you can definitely make it and keep it in a mason jar or, like I said, a sealed airtight container, and you'll be absolutely fine. This is absolutely delicious, naturally detoxifying. You don't need these expensive cleanses to get rid of the toxins in your body. Your body will do it naturally with the vitamins and minerals that it gets from food. So remember, fiber in fruits and vegetables, fermented foods, hydration, liquids, very important. Water will naturally detoxify you. So consider food before you, do a knee-jerk and order a cleanse online. So until then, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Nutrition Design with You in Mind, so you can receive notifications of great content like this. And until then, I bid you adieu to your good health and to great food always.